time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Shock my heart, boom, boom. Any other boy would stare, but me, I look away, cause you're making me scared. Trying not to breathe, 1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you for the time and opportunity we will present our material.
Material the sound of language. Introduction. Sound is the basic element of spoken language. Study of language sound divides into two parts. Phonetics, physical aspects, physical system and rules. Articulatory phonetics. Study of how sounds are made with the vocal tract. Lips, P, B, M, T, to, most important part. Vocal folds, voiceless sounds, pharynx, and nose are passage. Manners of articulation. 1. Plosive. 2. Fricative. 3. Affricates. 4. Nasals. 5. Laterals. 6. Trims.
Sound Transcription IPA International Phonetic Alphabet Standard System. One symbol, one sound. Example: house, school. Acoustic phonetics. Some morphic properties. Acoustic phonetic is the branch of phonetics that studies speech sound and physical sounds, analyzing their measurable properties like frequency, amplitude, duration, and volume from sounds have the properties determine how sounds are perceived and are speech, wonders, and quality. Frequency, pitch, impedance, volume, duration, sound aggregates, language sound, and context waves. Physical properties and example. Frequency. Definition. The number of sound waves per second measured in hertz has determined its hunger frequency in here pitch. Example: Bluefield C has a linear frequency around 15,000 and 300. Hazard for the freeze fragments 300 2,300. Hazard for the second and the again to which how lower prices are 300 and 350. Hazard freeze fragment 1800 and 1000. Hazard second fragment. This is with I sound and in here which had the U. Gender voice how in here frequencies of the 400 and 255. 2. Definition the maximum displacements of sound waves measured in the views. The B determine noise in here amplitude louder sound. Example: passive in consonants like P and B. How short bursts of high amplitude they realize at the initial sound in the pop is longer than the middle woofer. Stressed shibboleths, how higher amplitude they understood once is present. Now the phrase shibboleths is longer than that second. 3. The duration. Definition: the length of time is sound. Let's measure in milliseconds. Millisecond. A frequency preoccupation of wavelengths, content types, and stress. Example: long waves is English are longer than short ones. I.e. mid. Let's 100, 200, 300 milliseconds. Will I add neglect 100 milliseconds, 120 milliseconds. Foils contents are shorter than the voice. Contemporaries examples: the extolens 20 milliseconds. Will the EG droplets 100 milliseconds. Next, how weird are sounds? One, order a computer's waves. 2, media converts to bone vibrations. Inner a makes never signals. Brain provides in the standard bell. Sound types, contents, and UFOs. Contents I blocked never classified by text manner voicing. Vowels I blacked classified by talk, height, position, lip sharp. Subornamental features. Sound elements that affect meaning beyond individual sound. 1. Sound length. Birthday, beat versus BT. 2. Tone. Critical in tone language, Mandarin, Japanese. 3. Intonation, pitch, patterns, raising, requestion, filling, statements. 4. Shibboleths, stars. Pre-sentence noun versus pre-sentence verb. 5. Shibboleth structure. Apple, 2 shibboleths. Elements, 3 shibboleths. Next.
Phonology, the system of sound. Focusation of sound in creating meaning. Phonemes and elegance. Phonemes discard sound the same meaning. Example: P versus B, bat versus bat. Elegance, variation of a phoneme that don't change meaning. Example, P in pin versus pin. Example phonemes. The sound P in pit and B in bit are distinct phonemes as the words have different meanings. The sound K in cat and G in gut. Tongue's get is not a common English word. The sound difference illustrates the point at ellipsis. Phonetic sound combination rules. Each language has equation rules. English allows initial constant cool or school and final constant cat. Indonesia no initial constant cultures school sekolah not school only and final constant. Example elephants. The pond P has two main elephants. A sprite elephant with a puff of air when it appears at the start of a start cycle. Example input or part. If you hold your hand in front of your mouth, you feel the air puff. The phoneme also has elephants. Clear fourth of the tongues rises when at the start of syllable. Example in line or love. Dark back of the tongues rises when at the end of a syllable. Example in full or by. Next.
Alternation and allmorphs. Alternation sound change of morpheme in different contexts. Allmorphs morpheme variation from alternation. Example plural as cats, dogs, ducks. Phonological theory explain sound system, structure, rules, and clause. Language differences help understand how the brain processes sound. Phonological theories. Phonological theory explores how sounds are organized and function in language systems. Below are the major frameworks. 1. Structural phonology. Developed in the early 20th century, example by Ferdinand de Saussure, Leonard Bloomfield. It focuses on sound system as structural networks where elements are defined by their relationships to one another. K. Concepts. Phonemes as minimal distinctive units. Contrastive analysis or comparing sound system of different languages. Example in English. P and B are constitutive or distinguished part vs but, so they are separate phonemes. 2. Generative phonology, founded by Noam Chomsky and Maurice Hill in the sound patterns of English 168. It views phonology as part of our linguistics innate mental grammar. K. Concepts. Underlying representations abstract sound form, and surface realizations or actual pronunciation. Phonological rules that transform underlying forms to surface forms. Example, the English plural markers has three surface from S or cats, Z or dogs, is or buses. The underlying form is or Z. Y was appealing based on the preceding sound's voicing. Natural phonology, proposed in the 1968, example by David Steinbeck. It addresses that phonological processes are rooted in natural, articulatory, or perceptual tendencies. Example, simplifying complex sound. Concepts, innate processes that shape sound system. Markedness or unmarked sounds are more common and easier to produce. Example, final consonant devoicing. Example, don't pronounce it. In some accents, is a natural process simplifying final sounds. For future development of generative phonology, it organizes phonological features into a hierarchical structure. Example, consonantal sonorant voice to explain how sound interact. Concepts features as the building blocks of phonemes, hierarchical relations that govern sound change. Example, the future voice links sound like P, B, N, T, D, explaining why they often behave similarly in roles. 5. Optimality theory. Introduced in the 1160. Example by Alan Prince and Paul Smolenstein. It replaces rules by granted constraints that evaluate possible surface forms against an underlying representation. Key concept: fightfulness constraints or preserve underlying forms, and mechanism constraints or avoid complex sound. Here, ranked constraints take priority. Example, in English, y can is pronounced can or can, glottal or glottal stop. The constraint against complex clusters may avoid faithfulness to the underlying T. 6. Usage basic phonology, a contemporary framework that emphasizes linguist use and experience in shaping phonological knowledge, viewing it as emergent rather than innate. Concepts: phonological patterns arise from frequency of use. Example, theory or memory storage specific sound instances. Example, variation in English or pronunciation. Example, rhotic vs non-rhotic accents is likely to have often speakers encounter different variants. Thank you.